Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. I'm Laura, your expert AI coach. I'm here to explain to you about theoretical aspects of the various AI courses, such as machine learning, generative AI architecture, generative AI practitioner, and much more. I hope this video will make it more convenient for you to understand AI concepts in an easy way. Now, let us get started with our first topic, which is Amazon S3. So what is Amazon S3 and how does it store data? Amazon S3 is an object storage service that stores and protects data with high scalability, availability, security, and performance. In Amazon S3, data is stored as objects, files, and their associated metadata, within containers called buckets. Each storage object must be in a bucket. Amazon S3 can store any amount of data for various uses, such as websites, mobile apps, backups, archives, data lakes, and analytics. Single objects can be up to 5 terabytes in size. Amazon S3 is designed for 99.999% durability and stores data for millions of applications worldwide. What is an Amazon S3 bucket, and how does it help in hosting a static website? An Amazon S3 bucket is a container for storing objects in Amazon S3, which can be used to host static websites. It provides a simple way to store and serve web content without managing web servers. When configured for website hosting, an S3 bucket can serve HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other static files. It offers scalability, high availability, and can handle thousands of requests per second. By enabling static website hosting, you get a website endpoint, and you can make the bucket publicly accessible to serve web content directly from S3. If you want to migrate an existing website to static website hosting on Amazon S3 to improve reliability. 1. Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, can be used to store any type of data and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere. In Amazon S3, any type of file and any metadata that describes that file is called an object. Objects are stored in S3 containers called buckets. 2. This solution uses an S3 bucket to host a static website. In Amazon S3, the static website can sustain any conceivable level of traffic at a very modest cost without the need to set up, monitor, scale, or manage any web servers. 3. Along with an HTML file, files that support web page functionality such as client-side scripts and style sheets are uploaded to the S3 bucket. Any S3 bucket can be configured to host a static website. 4. When an S3 bucket is configured for website hosting, the bucket is assigned a URL. When requests are made to this URL, Amazon S3 returns the HTML file, known as the root object, that was set for the bucket. 5. For others to access the S3 bucket or specific objects in it, permissions must be configured to allow that access. A bucket policy can be created to configure these permissions. 6. A bucket policy defines who can access the bucket and what type of operations can be performed. Bucket policies are written in JSON format. JSON is a standardized data format that's both human-readable and machine-readable, widely used across AWS services and applications. When city residents access the web portal for beach wave information, their browsers send GET requests to the static web page's URL, which serves the index.html root object. The root object can be renamed from index.html to waves.html, with S3 bucket settings updated accordingly to reference the new file name. Thank you for watching the video until the end, and I hope you like it. In next video, I am going to explain you about Amazon Simple Storage Service, wide range of its storage classes, and S3 bucket policy. Please do encourage to bring up more videos on AI courses by mentioning in comment section, and I will make sure to be prepared with the lecture in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Have a good day and happy learning.